And today we are bringing physics to life by playing mystery doors. 1, 2, 3. What's behind the mystery doors? Thank you to the sponsors of this video, Sensors Alive. We get to play this awesome game with these super cool sensors that I will explain right now. These are sensors, and if you can tell by the sides, there's different symbols. Az's has a thermometer on it. Ooh. Lizzie's has a light on it, and Savannah's has a sound symbol on it. And these all represent what they can do. So these sensors can sense the temperature of a certain area, the sound of a certain area, and the light of a certain area. And then putting it on this base station sends that information to the app on your phone. With this information, you can create your own creature called a geminal. And they're all different. You make them in an egg, in a little incubator with all this information, and it's different every single time you make one. I'm gonna place the sensors so the kids don't know what sensor is behind what mystery door. I'm gonna put it right in the middle of the room, right there. In this room, since it actually looks pretty cold, I'm gonna put the temperature sensor in here. Okay, so this is the final room. I have to be super quiet because the kids are right outside. And then what I'm gonna put in here is the light one. And it's kind of funny because you can either put it in a dark area and have it measure the light in there, like by putting it in a drawer or a cabinet or something, or you can hold it right up to the lights and have it like that. So I'm gonna put it right on the counter. Mommy's getting the app ready. What do we press first?
Game mode.
Game mode, okay.
Game mode!
Yowie kids.
What should we name this one?
There's your creature egg.
Our first player is Asbury. Az, which room do you want to go in?
2.
All right, other players, go over there. Az, let's go in door number 2.
Found it.
You found it. Which one is it?
It's the sound.
There's not much sound in here. It's very, very quiet.
I can bang my hand on the garbage can.
Hey, that's a good idea. Okay, grab the garbage can, hurry. 3, 2.
I can't do that!
Okay, guys, hey, you're good. 96 TV, dude. That's pretty good for banging on a garbage can. We have our volume data in there. Should we go get the second player and get the second piece of data?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Girls, we got the sound! Really? You got the sound?
Your player 2. Which room do you want to go in next?
Number 1.
Number 1?
Number 1.
Okay, Savannah, Az, go over there so you can't see.
I found the light sensor.
Okay, what's the most obvious thing to use for light?
That light.
That light. Okay, you want to hold it in your palm? You can hold it in your palm. Press the button. It's blinking yellow, blinking yellow, blinking yellow, blinking green, blinking green, blinking green.
Yes!
Okay, put it on the base.
It's ready, it's ready, it's ready.
Put it. Holy cow, look at that!
Whoa.
11,952.
You have now measured enough values to imprint the egg.
Dude, that's pretty great. Nice job. Let's go get player 3.
Yeah.
Look how cool this is, guys. We have volume
Whoa.
and light. Look how much light there is. 11,952. Samantha, guess what?
What?
You're player 3. It's your
Yes!
turn.
I'm player 3 and I'm choosing door number 3.
You only have one more room left to go. Let's go.
I wanted to do door number 3 either way. I got the temperature one!
Yeah, but what are you going to do for it? Go check and see if the air conditioning is on.
Nope, it's not on. But there's a fan.
That's a good idea. Use the fan.
Yeah.
Okay, ready to press it?
This is gonna be really cold.
Turning green, turning green.
It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so cold.
Okay, perfect. Base station. Put it in the base station and let's see how cold it is.
22 degrees
Celsius.
Whoa!
Let's go out and show the kids. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I got the temperature one.
Wait, guess what?
And it will what?
It's time to imprint our egg.
Yay!
You ready?
Yes.
Let's slide all of these over. Whoa! They just roll in.
It's so cool. Whoa, it's warming it up.
Nice job, Az. Okay, last but not least, Lizzie, you have light. Put it up to the egg. Hey, that's cool. Let's put it up into the incubator now.
Yay!
Now I will show
You guys know how we all got a sensor and we all got the elements, right?
Yes.
Guess what we do now?
What?
We do it backwards. So instead of Az starting, Savannah's gonna start and choose a different room. And she's gonna try to figure out exactly what the person in that room did to get that number. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Savannah, let's go. Which
Okay,
room do you choose?
I'm gonna go
Player
in
one.
door number 1. Okay, let's see.
What?
How did they do this?
What do you think?
Did they use this room?
I don't think so. It's been closed this whole time.
Maybe it's up here.
Careful.
Here
Blinking
it goes.
yellow,
It's
blinking yellow. Let's
blinking.
see if you're correct.
Green.
No, it's blinking green. Okay, put it in the
Did I get it? Did I get it?
Let's see if you got it right. Ooh.
Hey, what did Lizzie get?
Didn't get it. She
Your
got
value doesn't quite match, but it's no
11,952.
problem.
What?
Your value doesn't quite match, but it's no problem. What does she mean?
You can still
You can
transfer
still
it to the
transfer
incubator with the help of the hollow pad.
I want to play the game.
Let's do it. You have to avoid the lightning and get the light. Avoid the lightning and get the light. Jump for it. You got this, Savannah. Oh, man. Avoid the lightning. You got it. You got
Well
it.
done.
Yeah, I got it.
Savannah, high five. Nice.
Guys, I got the right percentage. I played the game. At first, I didn't get it right, but then I did the game, and so I got it right.
Player 2, Lizzie. What room do you choose now?
Number 2.
Go in, Lizzie. Go, 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 go.
Down.
It's the sound ones. So look around and see any clues of what might be out of the way that you can make sound with.
I bet he used a garbage can. That makes good sound. Press the button.
And start hitting on the garbage can. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it lots. Let me help you. Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, it's done. Let's see if you're correct. 97.
Oh, man.
You were so close.
Your value
Would
doesn't
you like
quite
to
match
measure
yet.
again?
Let's
or play
adjust
the
it.
game?
Play the game.
Play the game? Okay. Jump. Jump, Lizzie. Jump, jump, jump away from it. Jump away, jump, jump. Jump away from the lightning. Hurry, it takes it away. Jump. Oh, you hit your goal. Nice job, Lizzie.
Well done.
Yes.
Now we gotta get the last one. The temperature. Asbury! Az! We have the light and the sound done. All that's left is room number 3.
Yes.
The temperature. But hurry.
I found it.
First thing we had the last player do was check and make sure the AC was on. You wanna hurry and go check? Go check, go check, go feel. It's not on? Dang it. Okay, what else makes cold air? The fan! Okay, put it in front and I'll start up the fan. Ready? Press the button. Blinking yellow, blinking yellow, blinking yellow. Oh, it's blinking green. Come on, guys. Blinking green, blinking green. Go put it on the base station. Base station, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's see if you got it correct. Temperature, 22 degrees, Az. You're the first person who got it on exactly.
You really
Nice
are an
job.
outstanding
Found it.
bioformer.
Yes, we can make the Genimal. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go get the kids.
We can make the Genimal.
Come on, come on, come on. Guys, we can make the Genimal. Come on,
It's working.
Look,
Everyone tap
the
on
creature
egg.
is
Come on,
starting to
tap on
hatch.
the egg. Oh,
It's hatching.
Okay, take off. Let's see what it is.
Oh, it's hatching so cute.
Oh my goodness, guys.
Oh, look, it's so cute. It's a blue guy.
Guys, we can change its color.
Let's do it yellow. Let's make it orange and make
I have an idea. I have an idea. What had the highest number when we were doing it? Was it the light? The highest number of values?
Yeah, it was light.
It was the light. So let's do closest to the light.
So orange and yellow.
Orange. But what was the lowest number we had? Oh, it was the temperature, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
temperature.
All right, so let's do yellow.
Confirm.
Now give
What
it
should we name it?
Oh, let's name it Yowie.
Yeah! Yowie!
You are worth it. Our first Genimal.
Yeah!
Thank you guys so much for watching. You can create, collect, play, scientist, and take care of your creature with Sensors Alive. You can get your Sensors Alive at Target or Target.com. The link is in the description below. Go check it out, guys. Give this video a big like and subscribe down below if you haven't.
Hit that subscribe button.
We love you guys so much, and always remember that
You are worth it.